That sound is the sound of a failed camping table. You're trying to enjoy a meal in the great outdoors, but your table is wobbling, tilting, and threatening to spill your dinner into the dirt. It's a small thing that can ruin a whole trip. The 2025 lineup of portable tables promises an end to the wobble. But which ones deliver a rock-solid surface, and which ones are a disaster waiting to happen? We stress-tested them all, and one popular brand collapsed under pressure. All links to the most stable tables are in the video description. Number 1. Coleman Outdoor Folding Table. Rubbermaid Easy Find Lids meal prep containers are designed to make meal prep easy, plus keep your kitchen organized. These 5.1 cup, 3-compartment food containers are perfect for prepping an entree and 2 sides. With the Easy Find Lids system, lids and bases snap together for easy organization. The rectangular design is ideal for stacking, bases nest together, and one lid fits multiple bases. Containers are microwave safe for reheating, and are top rack dishwasher safe, freezer safe, and BPA free. This 5-pack set of Rubbermaid containers is perfect for a week's worth of meals. Number 2. Portal Camping Table Portable. Portal Folding Camping Table is designed with 4 telescoping aluminum legs that can be adjusted to various heights from 24.79 inch to 29.99 to adapt to various grounds and meet your personal needs. Extra storage specky and larger tabletop, removable storage mesh layer can be installed under our adjustable table, which is a great place to put books, snacks, and small kitchen tools when camping or cooking. It can be removed quickly from the legs when you don't need it. Compact size and lightweight. Setup dimensions: 47.2 foot L x 27.6 W x 29.99 H. Folded dimensions: 6.7 L x 5.9 W x 48 H. Product weight: 13.2 lbs, 6 kilograms. Weight capacity: 132 lbs, 60 kilograms. Our folding table can be used anywhere. It can be used as a portable picnic table, RV table, barbecue table, grill table, camp stove stand, card games table, and tailgate table. Easy to install and carry, no tools are required, and can be assembled within 1 minute. The aluminum slatted tabletop can be rolled up, folded and put into the carry bag, very compact and space-saving. Easy to store and transport, great for storing in your car or RV, perfect for camping, tailgating, or backyard use. Number 3. GCI Outdoor Master. Make your camp trips epic with the Master Cookstation from GCI Outdoor. This portable kitchen is packed with features, including a soft shell sink, making it the perfect addition to your tailgating or camping essentials. Ready to cook. Safely use a camp stove on the tabletop thanks to a strong, heat-resistant aluminum design. Popular uses include tailgating prep station, campsite kitchen, picnic table, and cleaning site. This table is perfect for any multi-use occasion. All-in-one station. All the comforts of home wherever you go, such as 3 durable side tables, soft shell sink, storage rack, and an easy grab paper towel holder. Attach a lantern to the telescoping pole for visibility after sunset and keep the party going. Simple setup. With the one-piece, no-hassle design, simply pop the table up to make your meal and slide it down to a portable, compact design thanks to slim fold technology. Easily transport the table with the built-in carry handle. Number 4. Deluxe Roll Top Kitchen Table. Store all of your camp kitchen goodies with the spacious Mountain Summit Gear Deluxe Roll Top Kitchen. It has 2 side tables and a detachable compartment with 2 shelves to keep your gear organized. Our lightweight and sturdy adjustable camping deluxe roll-top kitchen is the quintessential camping gear table set and comes with a detachable compartment and storage/carrying case. Weather-resistant aluminum, made with weather-resistant aluminum so it can be durable enough to make it through all of your greatest camping adventures. Number 5. Camp Chef Sherpa Camp Table. Having the Sherpa camp table and organizer is like having kitchen cupboards at the campsite. When the legs are compressed and pouches zipped, the carry handles make it easy to grab and go. The 4 padded bags keep everything organized during storage and transport, but as an added feature, the blue organizer bag is lined and can be used as a cooler or even a kitchen sink. A roll-out aluminum tabletop attaches to the frame and is stowed away when not in use. Internal zipping storage dividers can be adjusted to customize storage options and open up enough room for a Mountain Series stove or portable outdoor oven. And that's how you find a table that won't let you down. No more spilled coffee, no more wobbly meals, just a solid foundation for your outdoor adventures. If this review saved your next camping trip from a tipping point, please do us a huge favor and hit that like button. Share this with your camping crew so they don't get stuck with a shaky setup, and subscribe to the channel because we're testing the best camping chairs of 2025 next, and the winner is a game changer. Happy camping!